you are a person who is more concerned about your health, this is the perfect healthy salad for your breakfast. Let's get started the recipe with these ingredients. First, we can cut our big onions into rings. You can cut it any way you want, but I like it to be rings. Then let's cut baby cucumbers, cherry tomatoes and boiled eggs. Chickpeas into a large bowl and add onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, eggs and feta cheese pieces into it. Give it a good mix until all ingredients combine together. We are going to make our simple salad dressing. For that, put lemon juice and olive oil into a small bowl. Add egg mayonnaise, pepper powder and salt as per your taste. Finally, what we need to do is pour this simple dressing all over your salad and give it a good mix. Hope you will try this healthy salad in the next time. See you soon with another delicious recipe. If you would like to watch videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon.